Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Flyer Upstreet 5 electric bike and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you might want to do this basically for one of two reasons. The first is troubleshooting. If the display in the onboard computer and everything is just not working right, it seems to be bugging, it's not turning on, it's not responding, it's lagging, it's giving you false information, you can just do a hard reset. Now you will need to set it up again because it will be restored to its out-of-the-box settings. And that's kind of the second reason you might want to do this, is if you just want to have this bike set up as if it were a new bike, maybe you're selling it, maybe you bought a used one, maybe you just want to start fresh or something for some reason, we can go ahead and do that. It's quite easy. What we're going to do is we're actually going to access the settings menu, but we're not going to do it from the main screen. We're going to do it from on the handlebars. We're going to press and hold the mode button, which is this top button. And if you press and hold it for 3 seconds, it will open up the settings menu on the main display. Then over here, we're going to use the plus and minus to toggle through the settings menu. The very first option on the settings menu is a reset. We have the trip odometer reset. If we just toggle down one, we'll get to the factory reset. Select it with the mode button. You can cancel it at any time hitting the light button, and that will initiate the factory default reset to its factory settings.